Okay, here we are for our next review question. We're looking at question number three in our review packet. And I know this looks like a short question, but it's one of the toughest questions that I've seen on there. And it's more than likely because it has this here, which will most likely result from a low pressure weather system. Now, when we were studying low pressure weather systems, we said the L equals lousy. We said it's rainy slash stormy. We said it's humid. So let's take a look at this. When we're looking at this question, we have to say, will it bring warm temperatures? Yes, it will. Will it bring cloudy conditions? Yes, it will. Will it bring clear conditions? No, it will not. Will it bring cool temperatures? No, it will not. Now we have a choice. What will most likely result from this low pressure weather system? I know that they both are going to happen. We're going to have warm, humid temperatures, but we got to think about that low pressure system also moves in the wintertime. Is it always hot in the wintertime? No, it may just be that humid air that's a little warmer than the cool air it's around. So while this one may ring true a little bit, cloudy conditions, which leads to rain, is what's going to happen all the time. Be careful and don't always assume that the shortest questions are the easiest. This is one of the toughest ones we're going to have.